Welcome all. I know some of you have travelled far and wide to come to this special event. Just as a quick reminder of the rules, each player has 2 cards and 3 are put in the middle of the table and are revealed after each round of betting. I assume you all know the card rankings. Have a fair game, good luck, let the games commence.
Here I am again, throwing all my money out just for a shot of adrenaline. This is no longer a hobby, it's an addiction. I know Varda perhaps too well, almost inside out. He's scummy and manipulative. This is my chance to take him down, that scoundrel.
These guys don't know what they're up against. I'm bound to win. There's no chance of any other result.
2 of spades, 8 of diamonds, 4 of hearts, Queen of diamonds, and 7 of diamonds.
Beginner's luck, I guess.
All in. I believe this is my time to prove myself. Good luck, gentlemen.
You're a cheat. You heard me, you're a cheat. You're a goddamn cheat.
Come on, gentlemen, it's just the good ones now.